When Greece became the 10th member of the then European Economic Community back in 1981, Greeks felt that they were reunited with their natural family. I might even say that in a way it was Europe reuniting with its roots by bringing Greece on board. Moreover, it was a strategic choice to anchor the country to the West only 7 years after the collapse of the military dictatorship and the restoration of democracy. Furthermore, EU membership was regarded by Greece as a seminal factor for the modernization and the development of its economy and society. Finally, Greece wanted to be part of and have a say in the decision-making process of European integration as well as the evolution of the European model. 43 years after Greece's accession, the European Union has 27 members and, despite its flaws, is a champion for democracy, freedom, solidarity and respect of human rights. I invite you all to join us and celebrate together Europe Day at Expo Georgia on May 11th.